You guys have no idea how excited I am to be putting on these Z1 solid motor mounts in today. So I don't even want to do a lot of talking. Let's just get straight on to the video. We finally made it over here to the boy Aaron's house. I just found out his name. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
Man, some of you guys may know him as Crooked King.
Yeah, I have a first name. It's Aaron.
Yeah, he has a first name. Well, yeah, guys, what we're gonna be doing today is installing these Z1 solid motor mounts. I'm so excited to get this done. I told you I just did the transmission mounts.
Yeah.
Dude, such a difference.
Hell yeah.
Such a difference. Yeah. I love it. So with these motor mounts, I'm crazy excited. Let me show you guys. My trunk's a mess, so don't mind my trunk. But they're right here in this box. You guys ready for this? This is about to be dope. You ever installed these before?
I put them on my engine. I was actually explaining on my vlog that I put them on, but I do it when the engine's out. So
oh, yeah, you did.
We're gonna have to come up with a game plan.
Yeah, the easy way.
Yeah, right? Oh, these ones are pure solid.
Yeah.
Woo, these are about to be heavy, dude.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm excited, man.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm excited, so let's get this going, right?
Yeah.
Before we start working on her, we're gonna get a quick walk around of the Drift King's car right here.
Hold on, we got.
Oh, it's a surprise! It's a surprise! It's a surprise!
I got it rigged. It's a track rig right there.
Oh my!
Yep.
What is that? What's that, bro? What do you like to call that?
It's the power maker.
The power maker.
Yeah. It's a Vortec V3 supercharger. So makes good power. Makes about 420.
420. Nice.
Yeah. The engine's bone stock. It's a VQ35. I got it off a guy in Sacramento. He had some like minor stuff done, new head gaskets, that type of stuff. So the upper part, the heads have been like taken care of, resurfaced and stuff. But it's a factory motor, other than the Vortec on there.
This is it's a regular DE or is it a Revo?
No, regular DE.
Regular DE. There we go.
Yep.
DE's the way to go. A lot of people talk shit about DE, man.
Yeah.
A lot of people talk shit about DE.
I get a lot of shit about that, especially the fact that I had an LS in here before.
I remember.
And I took it out.
Why did you do that?
I like driving my car, man. And with the LS in there, it was constantly in the garage. I had to trailer it to the track, that type of stuff. And then after I blew it up after 5 passes, it was just like I'm not trying to keep going on this route. And I guess there's a lot of drift tax.
Yeah.
So I mean, you find a new LS or a used LS for like $3,000, that's 120,000 miles on it, that I'm just like, I'm not about it.
Yeah.
So I've never had issues with the VQ. I don't know, it's more roots for me. So it's what I learned to drift on with this as well. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put it back in there, I'm gonna make it super clean, and I'm gonna street shark it and bring it to the track. So
you might wanna change my mind, because I've been saying that whenever I blow my VQ, I'm putting an LS in there.
Bro, I mean, there's a lot of people go against me, but I wouldn't do it. So I don't know, that's just my personal thing. I really like driving the VQ. And this right here too, you can see right here, it's got carb legal numbers, everything's smoggable.
Oh man, that's nice.
So yeah, so I can actually drive the car on the street and not have to worry about all kind of issues. I mean,
what angle kit do you have on here?
I'm on PBM.
PBM.
Yeah.
Let's see it real quick.
What's that?
Let's see it real quick.
Yeah, for sure. Let me get my keys real quick.
All right. Yeah, check out Homeboy's car. This thing is mean. Drift machine right here. Total drift machine.
I'm gonna turn it on though. Alright
guys, so we did a lot of chopping it up, getting to know each other, because it's my first time meeting the dude. So it's great to meet him finally, but it's time to work now, so let's get it.
What the fuck? Yeah. Hey, you know what though? This mount, the driver's side mount, for everybody out there, man, check your driver's side mount, because that's the one that always breaks. It's the one that's always loose. It's because the engine torques off of the left side.
Yeah.
So, but look, I didn't even break it
that
loose.
Shit came right out. Oh shit. All right. On to the other side then.
Yeah, we'll see how much I have to break with this one, dude. Yeah.
Look, came right off. I'm shook.
Yeah. I'm not even using two hands to do it.
All right, so we got the intake off right here. We got both lowered nuts off of the motor mounts, and now we're gonna get some wood, place it under the oil pan, and then jack the motor up a little bit. Try to get those top nuts off. Driver's side is pretty easy compared to the passenger side. Passenger side is very tight and complicated, but we're gonna get this knocked out. Two-man crew, so that's different today.
Piece of wood too that you're gonna use to jack up like an oil pan. Always make sure it's bigger than the oil pan itself, because if it's smaller, it's gonna just put that imprint of the wood right there in the oil pan.
Yeah.
Destroyer.
Don't want that.
No way.
That came right up.
Yeah, cool.
That was about 2 inches, inch or two. So
as long as we're not like pulling on anything.
I don't think so.
I think that's about it. It's giving me.
Yeah, I think that's about it. That was literally like 1 minute, guys.
Yeah, you shouldn't be able to do this. That's why there's a top bolt. It shouldn't just rip out like that. So the fact that this came right out, your engine was probably jumping.
Oh yeah, no, dude, I could feel it.
Yeah,
I could feel it when I was driving.
How's your hood? Yeah.
Yep.
Well, I figured out mine was hitting too, because when I banged the limiter on the supercharger, the plate was putting a dent in my hood.
Oh shit.
So, yeah.
Alright guys, passenger side motor mount is out, and as you can see, it's destroyed. It came off without even taking that top nut off. I'm not sure if you could see, but down there right by the header is where the nut is mounted onto. We need to get that nut off, but it's being pretty complicated. It's really hard to get to. Very little wiggle room, very little space.
Yeah, so, I'll give you this is how difficult it is right now.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah.
Alright, so driver's side nut is off. Now it's time to put this beautiful mount in there. It should be pretty easy. I know it's kind of dark and you can't really see, but there's plenty of room to work with on this driver's side. So let's knock this out real quick. The Z1 mount is on the driver's side. What we had to do to the mount is actually, as you can see, this stud is longer and this one's shorter, because that's how it is. That's how it is stock. So we had to cut or shave down this stud just a tiny bit right here to get it to fit. Fits perfectly now. And we're gonna go on to the passenger side, which we're still having issues with. But you know what? I think for about 1 hour and a half of working, we've got pretty good progress, right?
Yeah, we got a lot done.
Yeah,
and a lot more than I thought we were gonna be.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be a good tool to have.
It is. So let's show them real quick what we had to do on this side.
Yeah. So it was just a 9/16.
Regular ass 9/16, but we had to cut it, shave it down a little bit to be able to get the top nut off from this side of the motor mount.
It's like this, and then the header comes across, where we didn't have enough to set this down over like this. So
yeah, very, very, very tight space, not enough wiggle room, so we had to do that, but it worked perfectly. All right, guys, so we have the mounts in. We actually knocked this out so quick. 2 hours, right?
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours knocked it out.
That, I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, hey, for real, I thought it was gonna take longer.
I thought we were gonna be here for at least 4.
Yeah,
really.
Hey, that passenger mount was low-key getting me a little bit
nervous.
Yeah, a little nervous.
Yeah, but no, we got it. I know you're not gonna be able to see it, but they're in. Both sides are in. Everything's back together. There's the passenger side mount, looking nice and pretty. And then there is the driver's side. It's on, fit perfectly. She's just about ready to just put the wheels back on, get it back on the floor, take it for a test drive, get some lunch, and enjoy the rest of the day. Once again, bro,
hey,
thank you,
brother.
I appreciate you.
Hell yeah, of course.
Hell yeah. So
this was a good time, and it was the first time that I've done it. So
really,
yeah,
there we go.
It was a good time.
So you're gonna catch this man at Sonoma. You'll catch us sliding together Sonoma soon in that beast right there. Are they gonna see it in action in this vlog or no?
I don't know about this.
Is it ready to get taken out?
My only thing is the DMV. I don't have my registration plates on, or else we might have to take it out.
Yep.
I don't know. Hey, like I said, like 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Let's do it.
We're gonna do it.
Let's do it. So you guys will see that.
And we'll be able to vlog that.
Yeah, you guys will see that in a further video in action. For now, you guys just get to see the beauty parked and how it sounds. Sounds fucking beautiful. Let me show them the interior. I didn't really get to show them earlier.
Oh, yeah, open it up. Go ahead.
There we go. We're in. So yeah, it's fully gutted. Got the roll cage Bright seats, quick release, hydro. Got the fire extinguisher right there. That's actually a very smart spot to put a fire extinguisher. Wow. This thing is crazy. Can't wait to ride in this one day. Alright guys, so after getting some lunch, enjoying some good food, we are back.
I'm sitting here like a fat kid.
I got my little drink too, guava jarritos. Did you guys know that they make guava jarritos? I didn't know, but this is bomb. But anyways, back to the car. Driving it with the solid motor mount, honestly, I don't feel much of a difference. Like,
yeah, it's not near as vibration-y as I thought it would.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like a whole bunch of crazy vibration and very noisy. Honestly, I don't feel much of a difference at all. Most of the difference I felt was when I put the poly transmission mount. That was crazy amount of added vibration and noise. But with the motor mount, it's very, very minimal. I'd say the only time I actually feel a little bit more vibration is on idle, but during acceleration, nothing. It feels the same. It feels better. It feels a lot more sturdy, but vibration and noise, nothing. So I actually really like it so far. I'm enjoying it, and I'm about to go shred a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Let's go shred a little bit. Test it out. Unfortunately, guys, we were not able to go get some skids in, go slide a little bit. We went to a spot. When we got there, there was a cop that literally followed us all the way around until we left again. So unfortunately, we were not able to get any skids or any footage of me sliding or anything like that. But it's okay. That's gonna be another video, another day. Me and Aaron are gonna link up again. We're gonna go drifting somewhere, and then eventually, once Sonoma opens back up, our local track, we're gonna be out at Sonoma ripping shit up. I'm hella excited. I'm crazy excited for that. Looking forward to it so much. First off, I want to give the biggest shout out to Aaron King, the Crooked King, as some of you guys might know him. Dude, thank you so much. I appreciate you for letting me go to your house, helping me out, do these motor mounts. You did not have to do that. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, my guy. I know me and you, we're gonna be doing some dope shit coming forward. We're gonna be drifting together soon, and like I said earlier, I'm crazy excited for that. I am looking forward to it. So once again, my man, thank you so much. You are appreciated. Now I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, everybody that's been supporting. Thank you guys so much. My channel has been growing so quickly these past, I want to say, like 2, 3, 4 months. It has been growing a lot. I gotta thank you guys for it. You guys have been watching my videos, hitting like, commenting, subscribing. My subscriber count has been going up very quickly. So grateful for that. So thank you guys. I know like 1 week ago we just hit 1,500 subscribers. Now we're getting close to 1,600, and then 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. So you guys are freaking awesome. Thank you. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead, hit that like button down below, leave a little comment, let us know what you think. Subscribe if you are new to the channel, and please hit that post notifications button so you're up to date to every video that I upload, because when I tell you that I have some dope content that's gonna keep coming out, I mean that. I have my what a diff that's gonna be put in soon. I'm just waiting for my differential oil or differential fluid to come in, waiting on that. But I already got my Z1 polyurethane differential bushings. So all I'm waiting for is the fluid, and then we get to pop that in. Once that in, it's gonna get real. Welded diff, we're gonna be drifting everywhere, every day. The content for you guys is gonna be amazing. So you guys don't wanna miss that. Hit that subscribe button, hit the post notifications button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.